Hi there, my name's Gillian. I'm a specialist physiotherapist in women's health. So I deal with pregnancy related issues such as pelvic girdle pain, or SPD as it's formally known, symphysis pubis dysfunction. I see ladies during their pregnancy to help them improve their mobility, manage their symptoms, reduce their pain, and help to guide them through as natural a birth as possible depending on the type of pregnancy that they're dealing with. I also help them after delivery to restore their core back to as normal functioning as possible so that they can get on and enjoy their maternity leave and get back to work and achieving their goals as best they can. So that's one area that I do deal with. I also deal with pelvic floor related dysfunctions. So it might be incontinence of the bladder or bowel, it might be vaginal prolapse or chronic pelvic pain. I help to do thorough assessments of the pelvic region, and that includes the abdominals, the back, the pelvic floor, which involves an internal examination, and general functional movements related to everyday life. So when you come in for an assessment with anyone like myself who is a specialist women's health or pelvic health physiotherapist, you need to be expecting a full and thorough assessment of not just one area of your body, but the whole functioning aspect of your body and how each set of muscles in your core relates to that movement. So a specialist women's health physiotherapist has got the mindset of dealing with a specific area and a specific problem, but with the viewpoint of a wider holistic approach of what could be impacting your everyday life and your movements and your mood, your nutrition, all sorts of things like that that can impact your health on a day-to-day basis. So whether you have incontinence or prolapse or pregnancy related conditions, it's very, very wise to go and see a specialist physiotherapist who deals with women's health or pelvic health related issues. In clinic in Ashtree, so I work from Ashtree Private Medical Clinic in Cardiff Gate Business Park, and also in Cowbridge Western Vale Health Centre. So in those two areas I have access to a laser therapy unit. Now if you want to know more about how laser can help you, there is a laser therapy page on my website with an instructional video on how it affects the cells within your body, helps to improve the healing process and reduce pain symptoms. We're getting some good results with using the laser therapy unit in reducing pain related to muscle tightness. So whether you've got trigger points and tight muscles in your buttocks or in your back or in your abdominal region, it seems to be very, very good at releasing that muscle tension and helping you to move more normally. It's also very good in treating and improving the rate of wound healing. So if you've got any post-operative wounds that you're concerned about, any scar tissue or adhesions that you're concerned about, and postnatally any perineal scars and wounds that you're concerned about that may be causing you pain or maybe not healing correctly, things like a second or third degree tear or an episiotomy, you can feel free to come and get checked out. You'd get the same full thorough assessment as you would with any other physiotherapy appointment, but with the viewpoint of trying laser as one of the treatment modalities for you. Laser has also come out very positively in the treatment of stretch marks. So it seems to reduce the red appearance of the stretch marks in the early stages after delivery. And you can find that it helps to reduce the depth of them, so the overall appearance is much improved. But feel free again to go onto the laser therapy page on my website to find out more information about how laser therapy can help you. So if you're on the homepage of my website now, feel free to go off and browse along that website, gain as much information as you can, and feel free to use the online booking system under the appointments tab to make your appointment. Alternatively, you can contact me, you can email me, the email address is on the website and I'll put it in the description box of this video as well. And you can contact me by my mobile number, which is on the website as well. So feel free to browse around, get as much information as you can. If you feel that an appointment would be beneficial for you, feel free to contact me and we can make an appointment online. Okay, so I look forward to meeting you. Bye bye.